Steel is the backbone of modern civilization. From towering skyscrapers to high-speed trains, nearly every industry begins with one remarkable material: iron ore. The journey begins deep within vast, open-pit mines, where millions of tons of iron-rich rock are extracted every year. Powerful electric excavators load each truck with hundreds of tons of raw iron ore in just a few minutes. Enormous haul trucks transport the freshly mined ore toward crushing facilities for the next stage of processing. Massive crushers break down the ore into manageable sizes, preparing it for efficient processing. Advanced screening systems ensure only properly sized material continues toward the steel plant. Before entering the blast furnace, fine iron ore is transformed into sinter, creating a stronger and more permeable material that improves furnace efficiency. Standing over 100 meters tall, the blast furnace is the heart of steel production, operating continuously for years without stopping. Computer-controlled systems carefully layer iron ore, coke, and limestone, ensuring the perfect balance for efficient iron production. Before entering the blast furnace, fine iron ore is transformed into sinter, creating a stronger and more permeable material that improves furnace efficiency. Standing over 100 meters tall, the blast furnace is the heart of steel production and unwanted impurities, transforming molten iron into molten steel in less than an hour. Every second of the refining process is monitored by advanced computer systems, ensuring consistent chemistry and world-class steel quality. Secondary refining allows engineers to fine-tune the steel's chemistry and temperature with extraordinary precision. Different alloying elements are added to create steels with unique strength, durability, corrosion resistance, and performance. Vacuum treatment removes microscopic gases that could weaken the final steel, improving strength and reliability. The fully refined molten steel is now ready for one of the most important stages of production: continuous casting. Powerful cooling systems solidify the outer shell, while the steel continues to crystallize from the inside. Computer-controlled cutting systems produce perfectly sized slabs, ready for rolling into finished steel products. After casting, every slab is inspected and transported to the rolling mill, where it will be shaped into the steel products used around the world. Before rolling, each steel slab is reheated to restore its ideal forming temperature, making it easier to shape without compromising strength. Powerful roughing mills dramatically reduce the slab's thickness while increasing its length, preparing it for precision rolling. Powerful roughing mills dramatically reduce the slab's thickness while increasing its length, preparing it for precision rolling. Advanced automation ensures every millimeter of steel maintains consistent dimensions across its entire length. Controlled cooling determines the steel's final mechanical properties, balancing strength, toughness, and flexibility. Automated inspection systems examine every square centimeter of steel, detecting even the smallest imperfections. Specialized straightening equipment ensures every structural product meets strict dimensional tolerances. From the warehouse, premium steel products are ready to begin their journey to construction sites, factories, and infrastructure projects across the globe. Microscopic examination confirms that the steel's internal structure meets the precise standards required for strength and durability. Advanced inspection systems verify dimensions, surface quality, and product identification before every shipment leaves the factory. Carefully coordinated logistics ensure each shipment is safely loaded and ready for delivery to customers around the world. Rail transport provides an efficient and reliable way to move thousands of tons of steel across vast distances. Steel shapes the modern world, supporting our cities, transportation systems, energy infrastructure, and countless innovations that define everyday life. Behind every beam, bridge, railway, and skyscraper lies an extraordinary manufacturing journey, powered by engineering, precision, and human innovation. Hopefully you enjoyed my small effort to bring you this remarkable documentary. Like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.